Hi everybody, my name is Subham Behra and I am from Odisha. I am in 2018 electrical engineering graduate. After my graduation, I joined an firm as an automation engineer. As part of my job, analytics was also a part of my job, and it was at that moment analytics took my interest. After leaving my first job, I was looking for some courses to get me into this domain, and after my extensive research, I came across analytics lab, and that was I start of something a great journey for me to get where I am today. After leaving my job, I came to Bangalore. So I did some research on my own to check for the best institutes in Bangalore, and I came across several of them as per the results. So when I went through their sites, so it was like a front page of that how the institutes actually is. So analytics lab was only one of those many that who are very transparent about what they are going to teach to the students and how the students will actually benefit from them. I like that their instructor were from industry background. So that was like the deal breaker for me, as well as they have structured their curriculum for me for the course I opted for. So yeah, that was something that pushed me to join analytics lab and that data science 360 course. I'm from an electrical background, so this was very new to me. Although I do know like tidbits of programming, this was still a very new field for me. So data science 360 was something, it was providing everything to me in a very comprehensive module, so that I can like learn everything. So that if I get into the actual field, actual job, when I get the actual job opportunity, I would be able to exercise everything I learned during this course. So that's why I decided to choose data science 360. And yeah, so I joined the classroom program. So I used to come to the institute and use the live lectures, and I feel that that was like the best thing for me ever since the COVID, because I got to the lively interact with the instructor, and they were very helpful during that time. And also, like, if someday where you are not able to come to the classroom, I can attend the classes online also, or later in the LMS through the recorded session. Those were like helpful things that a student in crisis may face, so that was very helpful for me. Other than that, the instructors like very helpful for me, Mr. Saj and Mr. Manu Singla. I think they are very best in their own in their fields. So when I started from Excel to DIL and Python, and then machine learning with Mr. Chandra, so their experience in that industry were like something they were putting their hearts into us. So they were giving like examples like how these things work. This was like one of my like happiest experience during my whole course, 6 months course, whatever time I spent here. So currently I'm serving a role of data engineer in EXL services through analytics lab. Prior to the placement, we get a lots of assignment and projects. So that is like a stepping stone if you are going to get placed. So first I would like to like mention the capstone projects and assignments we got, because those make you prepare for those placements. Once you get into the placements, that then starts the training phase. So you would get like you will tightly interact with Mr. Chandra, and he will guide you during that phase. You will get some placement assistants, like they will review your CV, resume, as well as like they will give you some very important tips on how to like conduct your interview session, and they will like even give you some industry session. So that it's one thing to learn about a topic, but another thing to understand how the industry works. So these were some of the parts of the training placement training you receive from analytics lab post of your projects and assessments. So this is like playing a significant amount of role on how which industry you get placed into, and it was like a result of this placement assistant that I got into my present job into EXL services. The best part about analytics lab for me, other than the instructors who are already very best in their fields, well, like just I mentioned earlier, was the projects. Okay, because they have tons of projects for you. If you like, if you want to like work on more projects, they will give. So if I have to suggest someone to join analytics lab, that would be like projects would be one of the core reason I'm asking anyone to join analytics lab. And other than that, their instructors are very supportive, like throughout the journey. Even if like if you are missing something, even like you have missing miss some job opportunities, their continuous support is there to get you placed somewhere where you can make a career out of yourself. So these are some of my major reasons to ask someone to join analytics lab. So I'm hopeful that you will also join analytics lab.